Prime Minister Narendra Modi amasung Home Minister Amit Shah na irang thokliba Manipur da chattabagi damak Outer Manipur gi MP Alfred kangamna ngasi Parliament ta luchengba anibo akanba maungda criticize tawkhre irang marakta Manipur da ahumlak laklamba Rahul Gandhi yauna opposition luchengba kayana state asida khongchat pangthoki haina Alfred kangamna ruling amasung opposition anigi marakta leiriba khenaba adu puthoktuna house da khanganki Manipur gi issue ase opposition khaktana puthoktuna lakli hainaso Alfred kangamna makhatana house ki puning singsinki
Manipur is the lowest per capita income bearing state and the highest inflation. How do you expect a state that is lowest in income and paying highest prices to survive? You already have a conflict. You've had the worst floods in the last 35 years, unprecedented floods that we have ever seen in the last 35 years. Today you are burning my state. I don't think when he went and proceeded ahead doing service to this nation way back in the 50s, did he ever think that this nation would let go of his own people, which he so fondly called as his people and his nation? Madam Chairperson, सुनने में तो बहुत अच्छा है, प्रधानमंत्री जी बोलते रहता है, वह सब बोलता है भाजपा में, जहां मोदी जी है सब मुमकिन है और सब हो सकता है, जहां जहां मोदी जी है सब दिलाएंगे, न्याय दिलाएंगे। कहां है मणिपुर का न्याय? आज कहां है? हम पूछना चाहते हैं, मेरा अपना प्रधानमंत्री जी है, मेरा परिवार, मेरा रिश्तेदार ये देश बनाने में अपना खून बहाया है। हम देश गद्दार नहीं है। We are not betrayers to this nation. We have helped build this nation. We deserve an equal budget. It is my right. मेरा हक है। मेरा जो इलेक्ट्रेट है, उनने विश्वास के साथ जो हमको यहाँ भेजा है आज, not to come and listen to bhashans, neither is it to come and listen to all fictitious figures that is brought before this August House. This nation, Madam Speaker, I have been brought up to believe is bigger than individuals. This nation I have believed, I have grown, played with, wandered around with, studied with wonderful friends across different races, different religions, different communities, and yet I have never felt in my life a need for saying that I am a Christian today. I don't ever want to ever speak out that I am Christian or I am Hindu, I am Muslim. I should not have had a need to. Today, why am I having this fear and this need to express my desires of wanting to be a free Indian within this nation's rules and laws? 23 के बाद एक मंत्री देखा नहीं मणिपुर में। क्यों, मैडम चेयरवुमन? अपना प्रधानमंत्री जी से हम पूछना चाहता है। मेरा दिल कहता है, सच आदमी है प्रधानमंत्री जी, सच करना चाहता है, दिल में खुलासा है, तगड़ा वाला प्रधानमंत्री है, हमको समझ में आता है। 56 इंच कहीं नहीं, लेकिन उसको समझदार है कि अपना देशवासियों, अपना नागरिक लोग मणिपुर में अभी खाना पीना तक भी नहीं मिल रहा है। रेफ्यूजी कैंप में 15 महीना, किसको पुकारो, किसको बोलो? अपना मुख्यमंत्री से आप पूछ लीजिए, वही खुद दिन भर दिन उसका मुंह से जो शब्द निकलता है सिर्फ मारने का, पीटने का। क्या है ये मेरा देश है क्या? मेरा परिवार ये देश देखने के लिए थोड़ी ना सैक्रिफाइस किया है। मैडम, आपको मन की बात 10 साल सुनते आया है। 10 years we have listened. Can you not even hear the cries of the women and the children who cannot go back to their homes in one state, a small state, 30 lakh population here है मैडम, 30 लाख का ही है पॉपुलेशन मेरा प्रदेश। वैली का जो 2000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है, वहां पर जो मेजॉरिटी मेटिक रहता है, southern side they cannot go beyond Moirang. From the southeastern side, they cannot go beyond Palel. Eastern side beyond Yangpokpi. On the northern side, they cannot go beyond Kangla Tombi. Madam, 15 months my people have borne this conflict. You can at least listen to me for 15 minutes without pressing the buzzer. Madam, please. I would be grateful. I think we have earned that much of time at least. 15 months